Light breaks through darkness, takes on shape and comes to life. Each flash creates a different brightness with its own personality. That is how we work at AFL, striving to ensure each product produces a light that differentiates it from the rest with unique results. AFL International. With over 30 years' experience in manufacturing high-tech luminaries in Spain, AFL International, we convert light into a tangible object, a unique experience tailored to our customers' individual requirements. We are a large team of specialists, which is also our greatest asset. Teamwork and the total involvement of all employees are what lead to a project being developed in unison and from whose progress everyone benefits. By creating an occupational workshop with a Ray RD foundation, we have achieved complete integration through incorporations to our staff, a fact that is recorded in our sustainability report and our membership of international organizations such as the Global Reporting Initiative. Similarly, we strive to protect the environment by using low-consumption equipment and by developing products in which the ecological factor and recycling possibilities take pride of place. We collaborate with Ecolum to ensure the recycling of our luminaries is properly managed. And we work to promote energy saving by manufacturing low-consumption luminaries. Located in a key position from the logistics point of view just 10 kilometers from the city of Zaragoza in Spain, the AFL facilities occupy more than 7,000 square meters of departments, laboratories, warehouses and a showroom to display our products and projects. This superb location, coupled with the perfect synchronization of all stages of our work, has enabled us to extend our trading relations comfortably into more than 50 countries worldwide. Our speed and efficiency in delivering products and developing projects, linked to excellence in the training of our sales team, focused on ensuring maximum customer satisfaction, have turned AFL into a constantly expanding enterprise.